Selling a home in Nashville can be a complex and time-consuming process, but there are potential benefits to selling to a cash buyer. By selling to a cash buyer, you can enjoy greater convenience and a faster sale. Cash buyers often have a team of professionals, including a title company and attorneys who can handle the sale details for you. This can save you time and stress managing the sale and allow you to focus on where you're moving next. You also won't need to spend time and money on repairs and upgrades to make your home more appealing to buyers. Cash buyers buy houses as is in their current condition, so you can avoid the expense and inconvenience of making repairs and upgrades. On the flip side, when selling a home the old school traditional way, the timeline for closing can be uncertain and subject to delays. Buyers may need to secure financing and conduct inspections, appraisals, and other contingencies, which can all add time to the process. In contrast, selling to a cash buyer can often provide a much quicker timeline for closing, even as fast as a few weeks or even days. This can give you the certainty of a firm closing date and allow you to move on with your plans easily. When selling to a traditional buyer, if your home has outdated appliances, worn flooring, or other cosmetic issues, they may need those to be replaced or repaired before closing. This can add a significant expense to the sale of your home and can take you time to complete those repairs. In contrast, a cash buyer may be willing to buy your house as is, allowing you to avoid these costs. In traditional home sales, buyers usually use contingencies as a part of the sale agreement, which gives them the right to back out of the purchase. These can include contingencies for financing, inspections, and appraisals, among other things. These contingencies can complicate or delay the sale of your home. Buyers often use contingencies to protect themselves if something goes wrong with the sale. For example, a financing contingency allows buyers to back out of the deal if they cannot secure a mortgage. This can provide peace of mind for a buyer, but also create uncertainty for the seller. If the buyer cannot secure financing, the seller may need to start from scratch and find a new buyer. So, in conclusion, selling your home to a cash buyer in Nashville can offer many benefits, including convenience, a faster sale, and greater convenience. If you're considering selling your home, it is worth talking to a cash buyer. By working with a professional cash buyer, you can simplify the process of selling your home in Nashville and moving on to your next chapter more quickly. Hey, it's Corey Fager with Buying Houses Nashville. Every month, we're looking for a couple more houses to buy. If you've been thinking about selling, I promise it's worth having a conversation with us. You'll probably be shocked at how simple the process is and how easy we are to work with. Hope to talk with you today.